Adjectives, feelings. In this short lesson, we'll learn 7 feelings in Spanish and how to conjugate them according to gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural. Let's get started. Feliz, happy. Yo estoy feliz. I am happy. Enojado or enojada, angry. Ella está enojada. She is angry. Triste, sad. Tú estás triste. You are sad. Emocionado or emocionada, excited. Él está emocionado. He is excited. Aburrido or aburrida, bored. Carlos está aburrido. Carlos is bored. Asustado or asustada, scared. Ellos están asustados. They are scared. Hambriento or hambrienta, hungry. Mi primo está hambriento. My cousin is hungry. Lleno or llena, full. Él está lleno. He is full. Sorprendido or sorprendida, surprised. Ellas están sorprendidas. They are surprised. Preocupado or preocupada, worried. Ellos están preocupados. They are worried. Well done! You've just completed the short lesson on feelings. In this lesson, we learned some basic emotions and how they are used in simple phrases and sentences. Don't forget to complete the written material provided. And when you're ready, you can move on to the next lesson.